TV. Today we will learn about different transportations. This is a truck. This is a scooter. This is a school bus. This is an helicopter. This is a bicycle. This is an ambulance. This is a police car. This is a bus. This is a train. This is a motorcycle. This is a van. This is an airplane. This is a ship. Thank you for watching Tiny Baby TV. Like, subscribe, share.